When your Italian husband pours tomato sauce into your laksa paste, and somehow it works, you get bologsa, a mashup of bolognese and laksa. This sauce can be used in 4 different meals.
Hey guys, my name is Aaron. Today I'm here with
Zling. I am a nutritionist and content creator. Today, we are here to make Bologsa sauce.
We want to make sure that whoever is doing the recipe gets the exact flavors that we are trying to portray. If you do this recipe without a guideline, you might think that the recipe is good or bad because sometimes it's not accurate. So we're just doing our due diligence to make sure that you guys have the exact numbers. So when you do cook it, it's based on what we expected it to be.
It's lots of onion.
Onions give it very nice sweetness to the sauce, like how we all like our sambals to be sweet.
You are just showing off. You don't even need to cut this small.
Sometimes you do, because you know it gets fibrous. You know you need to break off the fiber. Tip, if you don't want your skin to fly away, just wet it so that it doesn't fly away. Next is the lemongrass, one of my favorite ingredients because it's so versatile and it's very, very fragrant. This is very fibrous, so it's best to cut it as small as possible before you blend it so that it really breaks down easily. Because this is fibrous and you can't really break down, so you want to just make sure that the eating experience is as pleasant as possible.
Through all the years of seeing him cooking, you should try to imagine how you want to eat it. How you want that person to enjoy it. You will also be pouring a lot of love into cooking the dish.
We have all the ingredients here and as well with the chili bowl. We call it chili bowl because it's a brand. Everybody knows that brand. But yeah, it's just chili gilling or chili paste. Some do have onions and garlic in there, and some also have salt. Just make sure you know what's inside before you put anything else.
We are going for minced chicken just because I don't eat beef. That's all. But if you would like to have beef, feel free to use minced beef.
Minced pork.
Minced pork also can.
My preferred choice of protein. She will kill me if I say this. Fat is flavor sometimes. But then again, hey.
Moderation.
In moderation, guys. Hence, we are here as living proof.
Dream team.
Balance is achievable. I'm just making sure that the chicken doesn't cook into big pieces. Paste goes in. And what you want to achieve here is aroma, maybe a little bit of oil splitting, and just a nice color so that when you cook the paste don't taste raw.
What does oil splitting mean?
Basically, when you cook, the moisture has sort of dried up from the paste and the oil has no way for it to be emulsified per se. You will tend to see that the paste have a very shiny sheen or there's oil leaking out. So that's what we mean by cook until the paste has split with the oil.
We are also adding some cherry tomatoes into the sauce other than tomato sauce because we want that extra texture and extra fiber.
And we're gonna cover it. And we're just gonna let it sit there for like 10 minutes.
Meanwhile,
you can use fresh coconut milk as well, but I like coconut cream like santan kara because it's easy to store, it's safe, it's very versatile.
This amount of sauce can serve about 4 to 6 meals, and each meal might have at least 30 grams of protein because of the minced chicken.
So once you have the bologsa sauce ready,
here are 4 simple ways to make a balanced meal out of it. Meal 1. A classic pasta made with bologsa sauce, as simple as it can be.
this is the part where we incorporate the technique called mante chatura, which is an Italian idea of emulsifying the starch water to the sauce so that it's a nice creamy texture pasta without additional cream or fat. I'll just garnish it with a little bit of onions that I cut earlier, soaked in ice water so to remove the pungency of the onion.
Meal 2. Bologsa jacket potato. We are going to microwave the potato first, but before microwaving it, this particular step is very, very important, which is to poke. Just poke it like how you poke your eggs, okay? You want to prevent the steam trapped in the potato while microwaving it. If not, it will explode inside. Because I'm a nutritionist, we are not gonna use the whole chunk of butter. But if you are... Hello? If you are someone who are not eating butter or not eating a lot of saturated saturated fat most of the time, feel free to just go all out. Meal 3. A Bologsa Shakshuka. Start with cooking yellow bell peppers on a pan for extra fibre. Then add Bologsa sauce.
Normally what I like to do is I like to create a small little spoon inside. You pour on the spoon and you let go of the spoon.
And enjoy them with bread. Meal 4. Bologsa Pita pocket that you can make in 5 minutes. You can put any raw vegetables that you like. You don't necessarily have to use purple cabbage or cucumber. We are using normal pita bread here, but if you want extra fibre into your meal, you can use wholemeal pita bread, which will add 4.6 grams of fibre into your meal.
Ooh.
Okay, I'll try
Look
to
at
do
the
it.
egg, it's still...
Ooh. Oh, it's still running. Should I do this?
Oh yeah.
How? Is it nice?
Yeah. So there you go guys. 4 ways to eat bologsa.
So, which one would you try first? Let us know in the comment.